how you came to know about Amber Frame Studio?
Yeah, in fact, initially when we were searching, we were planning for our video work, we were totally confused, like where to search, who to approach. And when we discussed with few of our friends, they were giving different names. And finally, we got, through the internet only, we got your promo. Then that is how we hunted you people, the Amber Frame Studio and Mr. Ravi and his team. Okay. And luckily, it was a very good choice for us because when the whole work was done, everything everything was like how we expected, and I can say it's a dream come true. Yeah. And talking about Mr. Ravi, he's very humble, down to earth, and I would like to say he's a perfect gentleman to deal with. And also his team, even if it's been a assistant, and the workers, especially the carpenters, they were very talented and skillful workers they are having, and they were very patient enough to deal with the customer. In that way, I can say Amber Frame Studio is very customer friendly and very cool and easygoing team.
Thank you so much. And how was your selection process? Do you like selection?
Yeah, definitely. In each and every aspect, they helped us. The color combination, like if at all I have to take the wallpaper, like what was fixed, matching for each room and the color combination, everything they were helping. Even the furnitures, like all the loose furnitures, whatever we purchased from outside, and all the decorative items, everything, they were helping us in each and every aspects.
So, are you happy with the service?
Yeah, we are very, very happy. And it's a request, like if anybody is going for a interior work in future of any of your projects, please, you can go for Amber Frame Studio. They will definitely help you out.
Okay. Hope we came out to your expectation.
Definitely, I already said that. It was like a dream. It was because of you, Amber Frame Studio. Okay. We both, all whole family is happy. And my friends also who came here appreciated the finishing of the work. Definitely.
Thank you so much.